Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. After developing some modules of tutorial project, we need a professional design, and for that we are going to use Pacifico HTML theme for our front end. Here you can view how it's look alike. It's near to our requirement of front-end design. We will use this theme for the front end. Like, we need menu in this way, and here we have a custom image in the background. Here we have some text. These are the affiliated icons which you can use. Basically it is a kind of learning management system, and for that you have to show up your affiliation so that the viewers or students will study your guidelines and tutorials. We will use our post as we have discussed in the wireframe. They should be like this card. This card is used for a profile, but we will use this card for our courses. Like, here is the HTML beginner course, and here is the type of that course, which is programming or front-end designing or front-end development, etc. Here a small summary regarding the course, and from here the user can share that course to social media accounts. And these all are the custom content which we can add from the backend. We will create another page which will control all the content on the front end page, and by here clicking it's come to the blog, and we have to develop our blog theme because it is a one-page theme, and here blog is not available, and we have to develop that. How we can develop that? It is using a structure of 3 column. Like, here you can see here is the 3 column structure. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. We will cover up 2 column as a content and 1 column as a sidebar. Sidebar mean the menu on the right hand side for the individual tutorial. Like, if we are studying the tutorial of HTML, then we need all the menu and all the list of relative links of HTML courses on the right or left side. We can develop both 2 columns, 1/3 for this and 1/4 for this. So this is the theme which we are going to use for our front-end representation of website, and for the backend we are going to use Metronics, which I will explain you in the next video tutorial. I hope this video is informative regarding if you are developing your own learning management system, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel to get more amazing video tutorials regarding the learning management system or tutorial project. Take care, bye bye, have fun.